You don't get this console. The question I gave you was to use the console to debug it. This is what you did, but you never adapted it to show me that okay, this is the message you're trying to pass across. The question is, sorry, write a script that prompts users for their name and display a personalized greeting. You have to display a personalized greeting, but that is not being displayed because you don't expect your user to be going to the console part of the application. So if you want to get the personalized greeting, you have to go to the console. Okay, good. You know what you want to do now. So basically, the console.log is generally, I told you, the console.log is used for debugging. If you want to display a message with
Okay, it's for
on
debugging.
JavaScript, yes, it's majorly used for debugging. If you want to display a message, you have to use the alert. If you want to get a message from JavaScript, you have to use prompt. You get,
Yeah.
but because most times the only reason why we'll be using console.log is when we are debugging a part of our code.
I understand.
That's why it is generally used more. And even a lot of people don't even know. Just really want to. They are asked them a question like that now. How do you generate output with JavaScript? A lot of people are going to say with console.log, which is very, very wrong. I think those are the simple questions they do ask more during internship interviews. I think I never did one.
Mm.
Nice. Okay. That's done. Now moving on. So like this now, I'm just going to send the second activity to you. So it's going to be more like activity. So the second objective you have to cover is we've covered the first objective, which is to understand the JavaScript and its role in web development. Then the objective is learn the fundamental syntax and structures of JavaScript, which is already known. So the next objective is understand variables and data types in JavaScript. Topics cover declaring variables with var, let, and const. What's the difference between variable, var, let, and const?
Okay, const is it cannot be
Do you like have
changed.
any
You
idea?
cannot change. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Can you
I
hear
don't know
me?
if the others can still hear me quite well also. Yes, I can.
You can hear me, right? Okay.
Yes.
So for const, you cannot like change the variable. You understand?
So
The
can you tell
variable
me
cannot
the major
be
difference
changed.
between var, list, and const?
I think for let you can change the variable, like there's a way you can like
Voting.
manipulate it. Eh? Can you hear me? Are you there? Hello?
Yeah, I'm here. I'm here. I'm listening to you. But I'm not hearing you actually.
All right. So I said for const, you cannot change the variable once it has been declared, but for let you can change the variable even after it is being declared, and you can also reassign it.
I, no, I can't hear you again. Okay, I can hear you now. I
For
think something is wrong
const,
with your network.
yeah, I think. Can you hear me now?
Yeah, I heard you.
I'm wrong. Can you hear me? Hello? Hello, can you hear me? Can you hear me?
All right, good. So sorry about that.
Yeah,
All right, you can hear me now, Perry.
yeah, I can.
So where were you? Moving on. So what's the difference
So
between
yes,
const, let, and
so I
var?
said, so I said,
Okay,
const cannot be changed once it has been declared and assigned
good.
to a value,
All right,
but
nice.
let can be changed even after it has been declared and assigned to a value.
Okay,
But
moving
that
on.
I can't remember because I think they
So
said it's
okay,
an old.
so basically you just use const and you just use var or let. So the difference is that the major difference between var and let is that with var you can use it before assigning it a value.
Okay.
You get what I'm saying?
Yeah.
That means before you can even like if you're having a code structure, this is the best way I can try and explain it. If you're having a code structure and you're creating a var in a place, you can use it in that place before you even declare it or declare it a value. You get what I'm saying? Unlike let,
Yes.
that's just the major difference. Like it can be accessed before they are declared. I don't think you get. That's just
No,
it.
I don't.
Let me take a typical example. Okay, I'm having a code structure where I'm using age. I've used age in this place, I've used it in this place, and on the third line of my code, I'll now declare var age equals 10. It's going to work upward. Code is there we have what we call programming paradigm. We have
Yeah, I've heard
structural
about it.
programming, we have structural programming. So in structural programming, you can use var, you can use a variable name we want to assign with var. You can use it like age and solve a mathematical calculation. Then after the mathematical calculation, then you can declare a variable with age, and it's going to work like as if you declared this place before using it. That's the difference between var and let. Whereas let is not going to work like that. You get what I'm saying? Or we should maybe write
Yeah.
the code on it.
Let's write the code on
You
it.
get
Let's
okay?
write the code on
Yeah,
it.
now find your VS code. Just that same page. You are going to use that one page for everything. You can decide to like just comment that part, or if you know you are confident and you won't forget it, then you move on. Okay. So what are we doing first? Now let's say
But
age plus 2. Age plus 2. Then now use var to create a variable named age. No. That okay. No, it won't work like that. You are not assigning a value to age now. Okay, nice.
undefined.
Undefined. Okay, what did you console log? Let's see from there.
Age.
Let me
I
see. Let
console
me see.
log.
Let's see. Let's see. No, this is it. No, I mean, so now we created, you are going to assign a value to it. If age is not assigned a value, because like this now, on JavaScript is a compile script. So the way it works is that, you're not assigning the kind of data type you're adding to it now.
Yeah.
So it's not going to pick any data type for it. And if it is not picking any data type for it, you can't just take a null or undefined data type, then add it to an integer. It's not going to work. It's going to give you undefined regardless also. So what I wanted was like var age, and you give it a separate value by age equals 1. Good. Something like that. Good. No. What are you doing? What was the answer?
Hmm? I
What
had
was the answer?
the answer. The answer was 1.
No, it can't be 1.
It's
Var
1 that I
age
said.
equals 1. Okay, let me test something here. Okay, let me share my screen.
I should stop sharing my right.
Yes. Stop sharing yours. Okay, let me use something like function.
I can't see your screen.
Function. What about now?
I can.
You can.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's see. Um. Okay. Let me just comment this part out. Um. Var age equals 4. Function statement. Function name. Add age. Once age. Can we do something like return age plus 1, close brackets. Good, 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 good. Okay, okay. Coming. Where is that one? Where is that one? Where's that one? Okay. Still listening. Okay. Just realized. Good. Okay, I should have used something like a lot. So it's just going to show up on the slate or lot. Okay. Are you seeing what I'm doing?
Yes, I am.
Good, 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 good. Add age. Okay. Okay. What I want to do is now this is a typical example of well again for let's age equals 4 well age equals 4. I'm trying to wrap my head around something with this because this is typically where the var and let is very different. This is where the difference comes in. Let's interested what this is going to mean. Ah, fine. Mm, mm. What did I ask you to do? Age equals 1. Okay, sorry, I'm coming. Okay, add age. This is it.
Mm.
So age plus plus 1. Okay, yeah, exactly. Exactly. So what I was trying to wrap my head around. Why is no, unnecessary top on age equals 1. Uh, then var age. Yeah, good one. Okay. Uh, uh, okay, then it's going to be late. Let's take the question. Wow. Why are they giving me this answer again? I'm coming. Okay, let me add this inside it. This is initializing outside. Okay. Why is Val giving me issue? We are all used to this stuff of
Yeah.
we're all used to this issue of using const account for it. There is this typical example of us for variable, we declare outside scope and we use it inside scope. And that is just the main issue of what var can do and the difference between var and late. I don't think you understand what I'm saying. Do you?
No, I don't.
Do you?
No,
So
I don't.
basically, I want to try and explain first, then we can move on from there. So exactly, it is when we are having a function like this now. This var can be declared, yeah, and used in this return part. You know, the return part is where anything that is done in this function is going to return. The kind of
Yeah.
argument is going to return. The return is
We
taking the argument.
expect.
Why this exactly? So variable is basically used for this part in such a way that anything outside of this part it will not work. Unlike just more like primary key. I don't know how to explain this thing now. Okay, let me test something. Name equals to. Let's try and see check this out.
I don't know why I'm feeling dizzy though.
Why? Why you think this?
I don't know really. Maybe it's just banging.
No.
I'm probably sure.
Let me check something. No? Okay. No. Bag one be declared an access. No. This git forgives. I know there's a very huge difference between them. Perfect. I've seen a perfect example of what I'm talking about. Console.log. I don't even need function. Okay, a lot. Okay, let's do something like a lot. Let me see. Good, good. This is it. This is it. So let's age a lot. Okay, let's say age. I'm gonna do something like concatenation here. Yeah, good with concatenation, right? Hello, Tosin, Tosin. I don't know. Can you hear me? Hello. Oh, wow. Okay, okay. Hello, Tosin. Okay. Hello.
I have seen you.
What's happening?
I'm sorry, please can I like take it now or something?
Okay, okay, fine, it's fine then. Since you are the only one here, and if you can't, so we just continue. If you just message me.
Yeah. Actually, I'll be like free for the remaining day. I just need to like, because I've not actually had food since yesterday. I couldn't
Um,
make, so I've not also eaten this morning. So I'm like supposed to cook. I'm also supposed to go to the hospital for an eye test.
okay, then you
So I
can
want to
just
get
do
my
it
glasses.
this evening or tomorrow. Or better still, I just send the note, let you know that I have
All
to
right.
like read up on you. Then we can move on from there.
All right. Thank you so much for your time. I just need to eat something because you call me.
Alright,
Thank you.
it's fine.
Thank you so
Welcome.
much.
So you guys should get prepared. This JavaScript, I was only thinking of taking it for 1 week. So by next week, we are moving on to Vue itself, how
Uh,
to set up a
I'll talk.
project with Vue.
Okay, I'll talk to her.
Talk
Is
to
she a
them.
boy or a girl?
Okay, talk. I guess she's a girl. If
She's a girl.
Olumide, yeah, yeah, she's a girl.
I don't even know her name. But I'll call her. I will let her know what's going on.
Uh,
Thank
I'll
you
get
so
that to you
much.
before the end of today also. Okay.
All right, thank you, sir.